And if you're a young mom, you will love this. Let's spend Midsummer together. But before, let's do a haul what did I buy in a cosmetic shop. I don't know how about you, but I love when baby products are 2-in-1, 3-in-1, because I think that it's so much better than having so many bottles just like that. So this is shampoo and wash gel, and I love this brand. They are so good, natural. I scan every product as well before to see if it's really safe and good for kids. And it's actually very big package as well, so I hope it will last for us a long time. Next thing what did I buy for me and my husband is this hydro gel with aloe vera. Why? Because I don't come from country where it's beach sun. I come from mountains and I have clearly problem with sun, and my skin is just not taking it very well. So we'll test this, but I had before, if you know that aloe vera, it has like shaped like a leaf. It's like a hydro gel as well, and it helped me a lot, so I have big expectations for this. And as you can tell, put SPF on and everything. I tried without, same effect really. Next thing what did I buy is this deodorant, nothing specific, but what do I care about is that it needs to have 0 aluminum. I'm not crazy bio person, but I just appreciate non-toxic things and I'm trying to live a little bit better, so for me that's a must-have. And I'm not going to spray it now obviously because I have a baby, but it's like blooming flowers, roses, gentle, feminine. I really love it. If you're a parent, if you're a young mom or old mom or dad, anybody, I think you will love this. Basically, what is it? So let's open it. This is basically eyes, under eyes, roll-on hydrogel as well. I think it has a big potential. I haven't tried it yet, but basically when you are wearing under eyes patches, anything, this is liquid inside and it should create the same effect as them. So I'm very excited to try this out. And as well, I hope it will work because our sleep is not good at all. And then something for mom, so me. Haven't tested out yet. If you have, let me know, moms, but this is basically like stay on lipstick. I hate when I put in the morning beautiful lipstick and then in the evening I have plain lips, so everything just wore off. This is promising long, many hours effect, so we'll see. Next thing for my brows, I only use gel, but I really want to try something different. So basically this is like micro precise brow pencil, so I'm really excited for this. And the last thing from this haul is this very basic nail polish. I love clear nail polishes. Why? I think it's very chic when a lady has good shaped nails, and as well just this, it's like glossy, it gives beautiful look. And I think as a mom it's absolutely not possible to have normal nail polish any color because you are washing dishes, taking care of baby, bath, it's just so easily to rip off. So this, if it rips, nobody will see anything, so I definitely recommend. This is my little life hack, how to look polished. This small one is for my daughter and this bigger one is for me. Basically this is how you wear it. You can tell I was working. If you have told me that I would be living this life years ago, I wouldn't believe you.